Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Benji. Today, we're going to make Rice Krispie treats with strawberries. This is for a 5th grade math project from Miss Helena. It is about fractions. We have 2 recipes, an original one and a doubled one. Here are the ingredients for the original recipe. 1 bag of freeze-dried strawberries, 1.5 teaspoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of avocado oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, 3 cups of Rice Krispies, 5 ounces of marshmallows, 3/4 cups of white chocolate. Taste test. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make the doubled one. Here are the ingredients of the doubled recipe. 2 bags of freeze-dried strawberries, 3 teaspoons of butter, 1 pinch of salt, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 10 ounces of mini marshmallows, 6 cups of Rice Krispies, 2 teaspoons of avocado oil, and 1.5 cups of white chocolate. Test. The same greatness as the original one. It's in larger serving amounts, so it's great for parties. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.